Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. We got this little cheap ass toolbox here. We got it from a local Goodwill, along with the tools that are inside of it, for $12. It actually looks like a brand new little tiny I guess lunch box or tackle box or something. But move that shit out the way. I said they come with these items in here in it. I said it was $12.99 for everything, and we're gonna see if we got a good deal. Look like a Walmart. I don't know. I guess it's a fish knife holder. That's what it looks like to me. We got a little hammer. Probably a light that... Oh shit, it works. Huh. See if we can find anything of value in this thing that get us that $12 back. I'm gonna say the box itself, I don't know, like $3 or something at a yard sale, I guess. But we got the whole thing for $12.99. I said it was at a Goodwill. Some razor blades. Hey, I see a Craftsman. It's an 8-inch adjustable wrench. And I believe, yeah, correct me if I'm wrong out there in YouTube world, but this is your older model Craftsman adjustable crescent wrench. Your new models, they don't say made in the USA on all their new tools ever since they started closing all your Sears stores. Heck, that right there is worth the $12 we paid for this box. Some really long old ass screwdriver. Here, let's just start setting up on the lid. Is this a Craftsman? Oh, there's the brand. Super... Can't read it. Some type of brand. Super... I can't read the name. It says super something. I don't know. Super... Hey, there's a Craftsman. You can read it there. Phillips head screwdriver. Fucking zip ties. Made in the USA. What brand is this? Is this a right tool? Oh, that's a, is that a diamond? Yep. Yeah, I know that brand. That's an older brand. A diamond. So yeah, that right there. Heck, we'll put those off to the side. Junky screwdriver. Oh, junky plug knife. Hey, what's this? Oh. Williams, yeah, I know Williams brand. It'd be better if it was a Wright. Some of you out there on YouTube land, y'all know Wright tools? Wright tools back in the day, it's what the military used. Military contracts, they wanted, for the military, they wanted all tools made in the USA that the United States military used overseas. Why? Because they wanted something that was good quality and not junk that was going to break on them overseas. You know, you can't have that shit in the middle of war. Some adjustable wrench. No name. Fair needle nose. Some generic brand. Look at that. China. Junk. Hey, shiny. What are these? Oh, look. Taiwan. Right there on the... Yeah, Taiwan junk. This old Craftsman. No, it's a Roscoe. Roscoe ain't bad. I remember Roscoe brand. It's a generic store brand. Them, you know, their stuff. It's pretty good steel. Is this old Craftsman? Nope, don't see no names on it. So we can find a name on this one. Nope. Oh, brand. Hey, look like a brand new little shitty wire brush. Hey, little pocket screwdrivers over. Oh, some little mini. Hey, there's a Craftsman. It's but it's got to be older Craftsman though. It's got to be one that's made in the USA, not your. Yep, there it is. It's got to be made in the USA. It can't be ones that don't say it. Ones that don't say it aren't made in the USA and they're China, so they're junk. A little junk screwdriver. Chunky putty knife. And we got more razor blades. So let's see. Let's put this stuff here back on this side of it. Alright, so we got that junk. Now we got a hammer. It's oh, it's a Stanley hammer. That stupid flashlight. So here's what we got. Yeah, I definitely think we got $12 worth. I said, if anything, I bought it. Hey, you know what? You're a guy. You love tools. You resell it at a yard sale. If anything. Yeah. Oh, and this one right here in my hand. So we have 2 adjustable wrench, pair of pliers, hammer, shitty fucking, nobody cares about that. 2 screwdrivers. Oh yeah, it's definitely worth $12. That's it. The two adjustable wrenches right there. I bet them, probably right around 20 bucks for the set. 2 screwdrivers, and we'll put on $3. Another $7. Old Stanley hammer, but it's a good hammer. It's an older one. That's probably $5. So yeah, I'd say easily $30. Definitely double the money. Just the net right there, and then all those items, just put them for $1 a piece. Just throw them up online or some shit like that, or yard sell them. Just put them at $1 a piece, like I said, yard sale, and there you go. Heck yeah, any of y'all else out there on YouTube run across any good tool deals? Whether it's at a Goodwill or at a Peddler's Mall or anything like that. Where you got something that's got a good deal on it, because that's how you make money in this world. It's not when you sell something, it's when you buy it. That's how you make money, is when you sell it. I'm sorry, not when you sell it. It's when you buy it, not sell it. That's how you make your money in the world. Let me know out there in the comments. Y'all thought this was a good deal? I said this box looks practically brand new. I said it had a little sticker right here on the top. It's where I nicked the box trying to scrape that shit off. It said $12.99. Let's see if they put any other shit on it. Yeah, I think the box is probably worth, I don't know, $5. Plano. But yeah, let me know out there in the comments if y'all out there got any good deals, buying any tools at a Peddler's Mall or Tractor Supply. When they have a clearance or a flea market or Goodwills. You got any good deals? Tell me in the comments. Drop it down below. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Smash that thumbs up button, guys. And y'all have a great day.